Welcome. I just went down to Carbotech and picked myself up the INCRA Miter V120. I've been lusting over this for a very long time. I'm going to unbox it. I'm really keen to see what's in the box, how it works, and ultimately if it's going to improve my cuts. So let's have a look at what we get. Okay, so the INCRA Miter V120 miter gauge looks alright. With some basic setup instructions. Handle, Allen key, and a couple of washers. And then the miter gauge itself. That's it. It's everything that's in the box. So let's have a look. If we can get in there. So you can see it drills down quite fine points. It's got the extension discs here to make sure that it fits all the different miter channels and you get a nice tight fit. We'll have to try that on my cheap Ryobi saw. It's quite solid, bit of weight to it. That's good. Now our instructions, of course, safety first, and then how to set it up to get the perfect fit. This looks all pretty straightforward. It's too big. It's too big.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping.
It's too big to fit in the channel of the Ryobi. There you go. Guess it pays to do your homework first. Bugger. So the INCRA Miter V120. We saw what's in the box. We saw it's well built. It's good quality. It does not fit in the Ryobi table saw. Lesson learned. Will it improve cuts? Who knows? Maybe I need to get a better table saw. But thanks for watching.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again.